Planning a trip to Europe and confused about the best way to travel? Well, you're in the right place. Imagine boarding a train, settling into a comfortable seat, and watching the European countryside whisk by. It's a dream many share, and it's more accessible than you might realize thanks to Eurail and Interrail passes. Available for non-European residents, the Eurail pass allows for unlimited travel in one or multiple European countries within a specific period. There are a few types to choose from. The Global Pass, which offers travel in 31 participating countries. The Select Pass, allowing travel in 2 to 4 bordering countries. And the One Country Pass, providing unlimited travel in one specific country. The validity period of these passes can range from a few days to several months, depending on your travel plans. On the other hand, the Interrail pass is available for European residents. Offering similar benefits to the Eurail pass, the Interrail pass caters to those who call Europe home. The types of passes available include the Global Pass, offering travel in up to 33 countries, and the One Country Pass, providing unlimited travel within one country. Like the Eurail pass, the validity period varies depending on the type of pass purchased. So, how do you decide which pass is best for your European train journey? Start by determining which countries you plan to visit. If you're primarily focusing on one region or country, a single country pass might be more economical. But if your journey spans across multiple countries, a global or select pass could offer better value. Next, consider the duration of your trip. Both Eurail and Interrail passes come in various validity periods, so choose one that aligns with the length of your journey. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, and traveling by train allows you to take in the sights, sounds, and culture of Europe in a way that air travel simply can't match. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the link below for your holiday products. European Holidays Away and its partners have everything you need for your holidays or vacations. We have the best prices for your flights, hotels, hostels, train tickets, cruise ships, and more. So why wait? Start planning your European adventure today.